In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Whop community price. We'll go step by step so you can confidently update what your customers pay, whether it's a one-time purchase or a recurring subscription. First, head over to your Whop Business Home dashboard and log into your account. This is your main control center where you manage all of your communities and products. Make sure you're in the correct business workspace if you have more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Products. This page lists all the products and communities you currently offer through Whop. Take a second to find the specific community or product whose price you want to change. When you've located it, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that product's row. You'll see three small dots appear, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you want to click on Edit. This will open the detailed settings page for that particular product. Now you're in the product editor. Scroll down the page until you reach the pricing section. This is where all the information about how much your community costs is stored, including the amount, the currency, and whether it's a one-time or recurring payment. Within the pricing section, look for the drop-down that currently says recurring or one-time. Click on this drop-down. If your product is currently set to recurring, you can switch it to one-time. If it's one-time and you want to turn it into a subscription, choose recurring instead. This choice determines whether customers are charged just once or on a repeating basis, such as monthly or yearly. After you've chosen the correct type, you can edit the actual price field to whatever amount you want to charge. You can also adjust the currency if your business supports multiple regions. And if you've selected recurring, you can change the billing period. For example, from monthly to yearly, depending on how you want to structure your membership. Take a moment to double check everything in this section so there are no surprises for your customers. Once you're happy with your changes, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Save Product. This will apply your new pricing settings to the community. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Whop community price.